Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. So tonight I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate winter beverage by putting this and this together to make an Irish coffee. Let me show you how to put it together. Okay, to begin with, I'm going to put 1 cube of brown sugar. If you want it sweeter, you can put 2. Next up, I'm going to add just enough coffee to break that sugar cube down. That should be enough there. And we'll just break this down slowly. Alright, I got all the big chunks taken out there. I'm just going to start dissolving that brown sugar in there. Okay. Almost forgot to mention the coffee I'm using is Starbucks Cafe Verona. I would consider this a dessert coffee. It pairs really well with things like chocolate cake. That's why I'm using it for this Irish coffee. If you think you want to use this coffee for your Irish coffee, check the link in the description below. Now next up, we're going to bring in the Irish whiskey, and you can use whatever Irish whiskey you want or whatever whiskey you want, but I like the Redbreast. Normally for 8 ounces of coffee, you probably want to do 1 ounce, but I'm just going to give it a quick splash in here. That should be good for me. You can always add in more. Then you want to dump in the rest of your coffee in here. Give it another quick stir in here. And the last step is to get the cream in there. I got this generic ready whip cream. And you're just going to give it a little blast in here. Just ever so gently. Oh, yeah. And then normally what I like to do is just kind of smooth it out like this because this stuff is pretty thick. So just kind of push it down there a little bit. And then once it's even, or as even as you can get it, then I'll put some more over the top. There we go. Just smooth it out there. And I will put on just maybe another layer. Lay a little small layer right around the sides. Oh, let's give that a taste. Well, alright guys, here we go. There is a closer look. Look at how the cream is just drifting down from the top to the bottom. Remember, this is 8 ounces of water with a K-cup, and you can adjust the other ingredients how you want. Let's give this a taste. That may need a little bit more Irish whiskey. Guys, easy recipe for these cold winter nights. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one.